I don't know why he's wearing a jacket.
Yeah, I know why you're wearing a jacket, kid. So you ready to go see Bavo?
Yeah. Look at Philo in the back. Get on the sidewalk right here.
Met like a while back.
Hey,
Hey,
what's up?
what's up? Can I have a cracker?
What?
Can I have a cracker, please?
Up.
Cuck.
Hey, give me one of
He
those.
said cuck.
Oh, bro.
Hey, what the it's like this hat, bro.
Alright, bet. Alright, Bavo, you going home?
Yeah, I have to go home.
Alright, I'm coming with you.
Alright.
Actually, I'm gonna go inside.
Okay.
The heck? There's a package at my doorway. Oh, don't want to give away my address. You know what this calls for? This calls for an unboxing video. Yo, 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 what's up, guys? We got Bavo, and we got Cristobal, and we got the brand new Yeezys, and we got myself with the cigarette.
Okay.
Yo, I don't know what's going on, man, but we got a cigarette on my package. Someone's been using cigarette. Are you kidding me? Are my Yeezys hot? Are you kidding me? First unboxing of the Yeezys we have, and yeah, these are bought straight up from Goat, right, Chris? Straight up Goat.
Straight up. Timmy.
And yeah, as you can see, the last Yeezys that I had, they were actually. They were the real ones, like I was just saying, but
They were the Beluga.
yeah, they're the new semi-frozen ones. If you guys remember from like about a year ago.
Look.
See these?
My story.
Send that to me.
Hey man,
Free cigs.
want to kiss some hands? So yeah, for this one we actually have.
What
You didn't send it to me though.
What can I say?
It's funny. $3.50.
What can I say?
I don't know. What can you say?
I don't know. Chris, what can you say? Honestly, I think the packaging. I don't even.
Again?
Honestly, I don't really want these anymore.
Dude, those are brand new.
Whoa!
Full gang on. Okay, I guess we lost them now. It's my channel now. This dude right here.
Alright, so I got my Yeezys back. So let's go over to the crib and see what's popping with the Yeezys. So yeah.
You good? What'd you choke on?
I don't know.
What is that?
That's a bug.
Is that an acorn? Why you have an acorn?
I don't know. I wanted to try it.
You want to try it?
Alright, so let's see the first part of the unboxing. Let's pull these babies out.
Hello.
Oh, this is too fire. Too fire. Too fire. And
You can't even get out
kind
of
of
this
taking me a
box.
little bit to get out of the box. Let's just
Can I
keep
take
it right here.
a dump on those?
So,
Does that say Yeezy 320?
yo.
No, it says
No,
zero.
wait, the real ones, a year ago you said that the real ones that said Yeezy or
Splurm.
sperm. Hey man, I don't know what's going on.
It's written backwards.
Yo, someone,
Just
hey,
acorn.
leave a description.
You weird. He ate the acorn. You see acorn.
Look, right here. It has saliva on and everything on it.
Right.
Okay, so like remember last time how the
The little dick.
Oh yeah, that's what it was called. This time these actually have a longer one. Like, not gonna lie, but these are kind of long, but like, you know, that's kind of skinny. So, you know, you might have to just rip that off if you know what I mean. So yeah, these are these are the what colorway are these called?
The zebras. The deer bros.
Deer, bro. It's the fucking deer, bro. Weird.
Leave a description in the below.
You got free socks.
These.
want
Whoa!
these
Are you kidding me, dude? Are you kidding me? With socks
Are you kidding
Keep the
me,
cigarette
dude?
though again.
and a keychain.
It's an
and a
Asian cigarette.
Yo, look at this.
It's an Asian cigarette.
An
It's-
Asian cigarette. Are you kidding me? Look at
You
this.
gotta kind of have the keychain.
No, that's my.
You used to
keychain.
have like a lot of keychains. I never got one.
I did.
Yes.
Well, I mean, hey, I'm not trying to flex,
Bruh,
but
these were $233.
$233 from Foot Locker.
Ooh.
Lying.
Bro, you're serious?
Yo,
You
they
should've-
lying. They lying though. You kidding me? Yo, but not
They
gonna
lying.
lie. These
Scratch
are
my
the,
nutsack.
These right here. These are the quality socks. The young.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
Young socks. These are the.
Young tonks.
Check out the Yeezy.
Sir, what are you doing there?
I mean, that's the real deal. Hey, man, what you trying to? Hey,
What? Huh?
Hey, what you got in there, bro?
Yo, you trying to flex or something? Huh? What?
I don't know, bro. Stop looking at me. White bitch.
All right, so yeah, I just wanted to. These actually look pretty doggone.
Doing to those shoes, bro.
Yo, what you doing? Why are you beating the shoe?
I beat everybody.
I mean, I know.
Yo, why does it look like a shoe?
I don't know. Maybe it's because it's a shoe.
It got poop stains and everything.
Poop stain.
That's the style of the shoe.
Bro, you
That's
already
limit-
I don't really know what to say about these.
All right, guys.
You
That's
know, my-
video. That's video done right now.
So here, give it to me. Might have to just put it back in China. You know.
I'll take the cigarette with me.
All right.
Hey man, you taking a cigarette?
We don't promote smoking, but this kid is taking another turn to life,
All right.
and this kid is still struggling to put those shoes back in the box.
All right. You know what? These are going back to China. Have anything to say about that? Whoa.
All right.
Hey man, I kind of smelt that nicotine from that cigarette. You know what I mean?
Oh shit.
Okay. So this is gonna be the outro of the video. Yeezys, yes, I got them. Yes, they are V2, straight up goats. 11 and a half big feet. Yeah, you know what I mean. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. This is.
So. I gotta go home. I have to wait.